The biggest email marketing myth. The biggest myth about email marketing is that you can create one product, set up one email campaign and just ride that out to riches for the rest of your life. It's a nice thought, just create a product once, write a few emails, set them up on your autoresponder, then sit back and watch your bank account grow. Unfortunately, in the real world, it doesn't work like that. Regardless of how great your product is, how effective your emails are, and how many people you have on your list, things will change over time. Demand for your product will change, other marketers will create products that compete against yours, consumer needs change, and people's interests change as well. It'd be great if you could do the work once and then make automated profits for the rest of your life. But that doesn't happen. Things will change, and in order to continue to make a living with email marketing, you need to adapt to the changing world, and to the changing needs of your market. You can't just rely on one product or one email campaign to succeed online. You need to continue to promote multiple products with multiple lists targeting multiple niches. Always ask yourself, what else can I offer my subscribers? What do they need now? What are my competitors doing that I'm currently not doing? If you don't adapt with your market, you're going to be left behind and you'll soon find that your product and email campaigns will become outdated. Something else you'll need to adapt to are your traffic sources. Some traffic sources will get saturated with marketers all selling the same thing, other traffic sources simply die out. So you need to establish multiple traffic sources if you want to consistently build your list over time. Don't just rely on one traffic source. If you do that, you're putting your entire online business at risk. An example of people who do this are those who rely completely on SEO to bring traffic to their site. They optimize their sites and do everything they can to please Google's search engine algorithm. They might see some good traffic for a while, but as soon as Google changes their algorithm, the traffic they were getting completely dries up and they're left with nothing. No rankings, and no traffic. They're back at square one because they made the mistake of relying completely on one source of traffic. So you need to always pay attention to what's happening in your market. You need to be willing to adapt and change if you want to succeed with your online business in the long term.